Good morning, everybody. It is our second time doing the Bell 5K. Each year you get a medal and it's supposed to complete the medal. We will be getting our second medal today. Dad is putting together the stroller. What do they call that? They call it a chariot, right? When the queens come and the guys just hold them on their shoulders? Yeah, so there's the girls' chariot right there. There's the flag. You guys already know we always got to represent. By now, I'm pretty sure you've seen our other video. I'm running this 5K 16 weeks pregnant. So I'm excited. I'm a little nervous. Girls are also running a 1K. So they're back there eating a sandwich, fueling up, putting gas in their tanks. You guys ready? Let's see those happy faces. All right.
You can do it, Dolly. No crying this time. Good job. Big sister over here running by herself. She's ready. Yeah. Come on, sisters. Come on, sisters. Come on, sisters. Damn, Dolly. This time you're not even giving up, Dolly. You're not even giving up. Like Rocky.
Good job, girl.
Thank you. Come on. Look at all the people you passed. You passed a lot of people. Look at it. Whew. Dolly fast. Dolly's a fast girl. Good job, Enor. Touch it. All right, let's go back. There you go, Dolly. Wow, that's that super speed. She's gonna get her treats today. She's looking for that banana at the end of the line. Come on, Dolly. Almost done, Dolly. Look, we're almost back. Yay! Shee, Dolly. No one can stop Dolly more. And Sister Iris. Shh. Sister Iris. She's pro. Don't give up, we're almost there. You can see the finish line. Let's go get your medal. Go. Go, Dolly, go.
Congratulations. Give me five. You did it. Good job, Princess.
Thank you.
There's Dad, he's ready. There's the girls, they're ready to go. Whoa! And the hair comes out. Shake the hair. You ready?
Pretty sweaty.
Bye, babe.
A few moments later.
Pregnant Belly finishing the 5K today. You hear the music already. I made it, guys. Mom made it. Thank you. How was it?
Banana.
All right, guys, we finished. Dad said he wasn't ready, but he beat his time at 29 minutes.
I threw up at the end.
Oh, hey! I threw up, Mom!
Just a little bit of throw up.
Peanut butter came back up.
Oh my gosh. How you guys feeling?
That was a good job, Dolly Mars.
Damn, Dolly.
You did a good job today.
Damn,
She ran the whole race by
Dolly.
herself without holding my hand.
She didn't hold Dad's hand, she ran it by herself. Anyway, guys, here's the medal. That concludes our Bell 5K race. And we'll see you again next year, Bell.